Welcome again. This is part two of using BOM properties in OpenBOM. So the goal is to have different values per different assembly. On cases where you want, for example, have the same part number, but you want to add finish or surface treatment or use, for example, color as, just per different bill of material. And then you don't want the information to go to the catalog where it updates everywhere. So this is more an advanced approach is how to bring data from SolidWorks. So on the previous example, we used this approach. Let's just bring data again from SolidWorks and start from scratch. So I'll delete some of the existing bill of materials and start over in our current example. So in this case, we want to pre-populate data from SolidWorks. So what you have to do is set up an advanced mapping in the advanced property settings. So you will then create a new BOM property mapping. So that's the one that you want to populate. I already have one created here called BOM Instance Mapping. So you can name it whatever you want. And I'm bringing just the finish property from SolidWorks. Okay, so I'm bringing that information from SolidWorks. I can click Save, and now let's see the difference. When we are now bringing data from SolidWorks, notice that in this case, this value is already populated in SolidWorks. So I do have a finish property telling that it's going to be by default chrome plated. So this is not going to be written to the catalog. This example is writing this value into a BOM property, so each assembly kit can have its own different value. In this case, we are defaulting as chrome plated. So it starts as chrome plated, and then you can change it to anything you want. So let's bring this update from directly from SolidWorks and see the results. We're going to create this bill of material and send this data again. So let's see the result here. So there we go. We have the chrome plated now brought from SolidWorks, and it's going to be different from the previous example where we had the same item with a different treatment. So notice that this is now independent for the same part number. So the bolt will be zinc plated in this bill of material, the same part number. This will now be, for example, chrome plated. So this will be independent, and notice that they don't update each other. Even if I refresh, one or the other, it's not going to change because they are specific to each assembly. And this is not the same when we are talking about the description field. So if we go into the description field, which is a BOM property, and we go back to this item. So let's go to this item in the catalog, and it should be the 46. That's the one. If we update the description, notice that this is updating everywhere. Notice that it's now updated there, and also on our example here. Going to refresh that, so it was not active. So on our example here, notice that the description is updated because it is a catalog property. So if you update it from the catalogs, updates in our latest bill of materials. So I hope you like it, this video, and see you next time. Thank you.